In this video, I'll be showing you how to record phone calls on Google Pixel phone. It's an easy tutorial, so if you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Now, if you want the phone to handle recordings without you having to press a button every time, what you can do is very simply automate it. So go over to your phone application and tap the three dots on the top right corner, then go over to settings. Now, you're going to see a lot of options here, but you're going to see record calls as one of the options. Once you go ahead and click on that, you got to just toggle on auto record. You can even have transcript assist or anything like that. And you can even show a notification after recording as well. If you want to review your recordings, go over to recorded calls. I don't have any, so obviously it's not letting me go into that. And if you want to do a manual recording during a call, like let's say if you want to record a specific conversation, all you got to do is while active, look at the in-call screen. Tap the three dots or the record call button if it's visible on the main grid, and then just tap record call. A timer is going to appear at the top of the screen to indicating the recording is active, and to stop, tap the three dots again and select stop recording or simply hang up. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.